Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Zoom meetings on one computer. This is incredibly useful when you need to monitor two meetings simultaneously, perhaps managing different teams or attending overlapping sessions without missing important discussions. First, let's start with opening your first meeting. Go ahead and launch your Zoom app on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next step. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Zoom home screen. Look for the Join button and click on it. This will open a dialog box where you'll need to type in the meeting ID or personal link for the first meeting you want to join. If you're prompted to enter a meeting passcode, go ahead and type that in as well. After entering all the required information, click the Join button to connect to your first meeting. You'll then need to click Join again to confirm and fully enter the meeting room. At this point, your first Zoom meeting should be up and running on your screen. Now comes the part where we set up the second meeting. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll need to open an incognito or private browsing window in your web browser. This allows you to run a second instance of Zoom independently from the app. In your incognito window, type zoom.es in the address bar and press Enter. This will take you to the Zoom website. On the Zoom website, you'll need to log in with your credentials again. Yes, you're logging into the same account, but because you're using a different method, the incognito browser versus the desktop app, you can access a separate meeting. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the Join button. Click on it. Just like before, you'll be prompted to type in the meeting ID or personal link for your second meeting. Enter the meeting passcode if prompted, then click Join to proceed. Now, here's a key moment. A message will appear in your web browser asking how you'd like to join. Instead of opening the Zoom app, which would conflict with your first meeting, click on Join from your browser. This launches the meeting directly in your web browser. And there you have it. You now have two Zoom meetings running simultaneously on one computer, one in the desktop app and one in your web browser. This setup allows you to switch between meetings as needed, keeping both sessions active and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.